Success. Alright. But John Smith from Raleigh, pretty much when he played college football, that was my dream to go to the NFL. Didn't work out like that. So I ended up working at a UPS warehouse job, and then a call center job. And I was dying at that call center. Football player at the cubicle, you know, it's not gonna work out. I actually don't like talking like that. Alright? That's why I'm talking through it. Because when I ask him when he gets ready to start, I don't do talking like Randy said. Alright? But man, I'll never forget it. I was coming off a shift for UPS, you know, working at it, loading the truck. And Larry Ray, my teammate, love you, bro. He called me up. He said, my millionaire friend's coming from California. Alright? Now I was the cool guy. I was cool and broke. It was funny. And our culture, where I come from, is like more about status. But you know, he asked me where he started, they have money either. Right? They have more money on them than in their bank account. Alright? That's where I come from. Now, I came to the meeting, never met a guy with time freedom and money freedom. Never in my life. It was outside the box for me, because it wasn't talking school, wasn't talking street. So, but I really didn't care. I wanted the lifestyle Carlos Rogers had. Alright? I actually didn't have the money. But my mom said, car up, showed her the wrong way. But like Darren said, I was so excited, my mom actually gave me the money. She didn't join, but she gave me the money to get started. So thank you, Mom. Now, when I got started, I still had a lot of pride and ego. I thought I had it going on, so I wasn't coaching, going to teach them. All right? A lot of people in this business, they don't follow instructions. And there's only two ways you go. You're going to struggle enough where you quit, or you're going to struggle enough where, you know, you're going to learn, you're going to listen. All right? So I struggled, did it wrong for, you know, showing hundreds of people the wrong way. The verbiage I was saying was just wrong. That's why nobody was doing it. Like the little stuff in this business, it makes you or break you. The words you say makes you or break you. So I went to Momentum, the first Momentum with a big W bonus. And that changed my world. I never saw a culture like this where all kind of races working together. It was like different. And that's when I made a decision that I wanted this lifestyle. What I was going to grind to get the lifestyle. I was always grinding, I was just doing it wrong. That makes sense? Man, after that event, just started grinding. The grind is easy. One-on-ones, two-on-ones, travel parties, train. One-on-ones, two-on-ones, travel party, train. The grind is easy. And I just started educating myself on what we have. This is the #1 producer of new millionaires in the world. Network marketing. I just started educating myself. But the thing that happened to me, I got sold out after Momentum. I didn't have the money to go to these trainings, but see, when a millionaire with time freedom, these are not normal millionaires, these are millionaires with time freedom. When they say do stuff, you don't give them excuses. That's the reason why you're stuck, because you're making excuses. Travis said all the time, it's impossible to make an excuse and get the result at the same time. Alright? So me, my values are messed up. Look at that shoe out. My values are messed up. I'll spend $300 on some shoes, but then not sign up for a national event. So Rich Dad Poor Dad pretty much changed my whole world by Robert Kiyosaki. It's a system in place that creates millionaires. You just gotta follow it. And you gotta change your values. Alright? So I changed my values. I started working in business. Signed up like 151 people. 151 spread. And I don't have no spillover, so it's kind of, we got a close little group that we work with. I love everybody there, like 75 here. But this lifestyle is different. It's not normal. I promise you. Usually when I used to go on vacations, I would save up money to travel, spend a couple grand on a vacation, then I have to come back to a job. But now, life is different. Now I go on vacations and make a couple grand on a vacation. It's freedom. There's no, man, I wish I could give y'all a taste of freedom. You would schedule 5 trial parties right now. I promise you. Alright? Been on 32 vacations, paid for two BMWs. I mean, I call them ghosts. And cause they're gonna haunt people. Cause people gonna see your BMWs. Everybody's gonna about to get BMWs. People gonna see your BMWs and they're gonna remember the meeting when you showed them. And you gonna haunt them. Alright? But more importantly, I got voice out of me. In the beginning it was about me. You know, me. But then when I started, you know, having I got great leaders on my team, you know, really I'm nobody special. I got great mentors and I got a great team. I mean, you heard my mom talk 20 times better than me. That's why I'm MD. You know, I got Miss Penn still on top of me, and she owned McDonald's. So it's like, I got Mel, I got Brian James, I mean, there's so many people in this room that helped me get here. And that's why I'm so excited to help them get here. So sacrifice these next 6 months, get sold out.